bag system resting on that. Which you see, I just pulled off by hand. This, the weight of the vehicle would have tore that off in the first month. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this line. I'm probably gonna make a triangle right here that raised up, and then I'll probably make a smaller triangle right here with a nice little, probably 1.5 to 2 inch parallel line.
Yeah.
So a smaller triangle, bigger triangle, so the hydro boost and everything will fit on that, no problem.
Yeah,
I'm probably not gonna add anything in here because that's gonna muck around visually with the intake shape and all that. We're not going to screw with that. Okay, dummy. Got eye protection. Probably where? You got all this done on Monday.
Monday, Tuesday.
Straight in.